Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Come along with me on a journey around Southern Oregon as I visit Crater Lake and more. A lot of my videos focus on flight, but here I want to focus on the destination. What happened after I landed? So let's fast forward to Klamath Falls, Oregon. Welcome to the lodge at Running Y. I used the Running Y Ranch Resort as a base for my journey to Crater Lake. Running Y was formerly a cattle ranch before it became the resort that it is today. And it's not only a resort, it's an entire community of residences. Let's go inside to see what it's all about. A stunning lobby greets all guests as they enter the resort. Let's go upstairs and explore my room on the 3rd floor. My suite was warm and well appointed and included a balcony, fireplace, and flat screen TV. It came with a full kitchen, which I wound up using later in my trip. A separate bedroom was a perfect size and offered great privacy from the rest of the suite. The suite's restroom was very spacious and private, something that you see less of in hotels these days, with many opting for open-concept restrooms. It almost felt like being in an entirely separate compartment of the suite. And that full-service kitchen gave me a great opportunity to do some in-suite cooking and not have to dine out after a long flight from the other side of the country. An in-suite fireplace kept me very warm and cozy from the colder temperatures outside. Check out these views, it is spectacular. This hotel is absolutely doing it for me. Great place. Great views, great vibes, and an authentic local feeling make the Running Y Ranch Resort the best hotel in the area. This evening for dinner, because the hotel room is so nice, I'm going to be getting takeout from the restaurant and bringing it back to the room to eat. The hotel's main restaurant is located on the main level of the resort, directly behind the lobby. Due to the ongoing pandemic, seating is limited, but the entire menu is available for takeout, which I opted to do. Everything on the menu looked great. Alright, dinner is hot and ready, so let's go back up to that beautiful room to eat. Alright, it's a brand new day with lots in store to accomplish, including an epic journey north to Crater Lake. But first, let's explore some more of the property at the Running Y Ranch Resort. The resort is not just a hotel, but a sprawling residence that many people call home. It's situated on the side of Klamath Lake, a very large and shallow lake not very far from the city center of Klamath Falls. The property includes birding, hiking, and biking trails and covers over 3,600 acres on a hilly terrain. Homes of all styles have access to this beautiful property, and some of the views are absolutely spectacular. It's no wonder why so many people call Running Y home. Right next to the resort is a gourmet marketplace that's open to all. It offers essential items as well as local wine and cheese. Oregon has got some great wine and cheese, and this is a fantastic place to pick some up. Just before the drive north to Crater Lake, it was time to fill up, and I was in luck because the Running Y has an Indian restaurant right on the property. The food here was phenomenal. Authentic Indian flavors and spices were part of what was an incredible lunch. The food filled me completely, which is great because I knew that there would not be many dining options en route and at my destination. Completely nourished, it's time to head north to Crater Lake. The southern Oregon scenery is breathtaking, and as I drove further away to high altitudes, the roads became snow-covered and snowbanks towered above the sides of the roads. Throughout the trip to Crater Lake, there were many snow squalls, but the weather was clear at the summit. Visiting during the wintertime poses its challenges. The visitor center is closed, and the only way to see the lake is to walk across snow that's not cleared, but it's entirely worth it. Crater Lake is nearly 2,000 feet deep, making it the deepest lake in the United States. Well, I made it to the summit here, and now I'm going to go check out Crater Lake. It is windy and cold. That was beautiful. The view is stunning. It's just really, really cold and windy here. And there is no pathway on the ground, so you basically just have to walk on the snow. What an amazing experience. Let's head back south towards the city of Medford for some dinner. It's time for another outdoor experience. Dinner at a vineyard where grapes are grown for local wines to accompany your meal. What a great day that was. I'm now back in Medford, Oregon, and to conclude the evening, I am at the Danson Vineyards. What a great place. There's vineyards to my right, and we're eating outdoors here. It's just beautiful. The name Danson is a portmanteau of the names of two people, Dan and Cindy, who founded the vineyard. It's a very popular space and accessed only by driving through the vineyard off of the main road. While the space is known for its excellent wine, the food is absolutely phenomenal here. All of the cheese is local and comes from the surrounding valley. It was absolutely fantastic. And the pizza? Well, it's among the best that you can find in the United States. Really, really good. That is good pizza. What a great meal that was here in Southern Oregon. The atmosphere is absolutely amazing. I'm actually outdoors, but these flames are keeping me nice and warm. Well, I am very, very pleased with my trip to South Oregon. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more.